Rice crispy or puffed rice. The most easy way to make rice crispy or puffed rice. One ingredients only, and you have this. You can use it for cake decorating to make a lot of shapes. Even you mix it with the chocolate or marshmallow, and every kids and adult love it. What you need, you have like 200 gram of salt, normal sea salt, in stainless steel pan. Very important to use a stainless steel pan because it's amazing device to make this type of puffed rice. You can feel it for 2 or 3 centimeter and make sure it's really hot. The secret to have a nice puffed rice is to be hot, really hot. I keep it like 20 minutes. Then you can add it any type of rice you have. Basmati rice, short grain, tall grain, any type of rice. And just you mix it, but you mix all the time, don't stop. And here it is. You can see already start to buff less than 2 seconds. You can see, but if you not mix it well, you will have some burn around. That's why you must stir the salt and rice all the time to have this really amazing puffed rice. You scale. After that, what you need? You just need a strainer. You all the mixture you strain. You can see this is in the blue, the black one, which is not moving. That's why when you do the puffed rice, you just stir all the time. And with experience, it takes exactly 40 seconds for whole quantity. We added more, the same salt, you bring it back to the stove, you reheat it again, and then you can mix it well. For 30, maximum 40 seconds, you have an amazing puffed rice as you see. Nice golden. After you strain from the salt, you can use it in many of the desserts. So easy recipe and very cheap. I wish if you like this video, please make share, leave a comment below, and if you're shy, you just make like for the video. Please write to us what you need to make the next video for second week. Have a good day. Ahmed Younes.